In this video, I will talk about sizing canvas. This is a foundational lecture for someone who has never stretched canvas before. Sizing is a crucial step for preparing a canvas, and it will protect your canvas and painting from damage and discoloration in long term. After I explain what sizing is and why we have to do it, I will show a demo of sizing canvas. So what is sizing? In the context of stretching a canvas, the word size means a solution or liquid that is used for the preparation of painting. And sizing refers to the process of sealing the surface of a painting support such as a canvas. It insulates the surface of a canvas from paint or priming materials. Sizing is important if you're going to use a raw canvas because acidic oil-based paint or primer can damage and rot the canvas. By sizing the canvas, you can prevent that from happening. So if you use only water-based paints, does that mean you don't have to worry about sizing? No. You should still size a canvas even if you use only water-based paints like acrylics. Canvas often contains dust and lint, and the moisture from the paint might leach those organic materials out of the canvas. And this can cause discoloration of the painting. So it's good practice even if you only use water-based medium. So I'll do a quick demo to show you how to size a canvas. What you need for sizing are a brush to apply the sizing material, a raw stretch canvas, a PVA size. PVA is polyvinyl acetate, and you might also want to use a cup or bowl to keep PVA. PVA is really runny, so it's good to pour enough PVA into a cup at first, and take enough PVA size with a brush and start applying it to the canvas. Make sure you apply enough pressure so that the PVA fills pores and tiny gaps in the fabrics of the canvas. You also want to apply PVA to the sides and back of the canvas to make sure the canvas is safe from rotting. 1 or 2 coats is usually enough for sizing the surface. PVA dries really fast. It only takes about 30 minutes to an hour to dry completely. Touch the surface of the canvas lightly to check if PVA is dry or not. If it feels tacky, it means it's not dry yet. If it feels cold, it means the moisture in the PVA is not completely gone. If it's not tacky and not cold anymore, your canvas is dry. I only showed PVA size as a sizing material, but there's a couple other products for sizing. Sizing is the very first step of preparing canvas for painting. And after you size a canvas, it's ready to move on to the next step, which is priming. Thanks for watching.